Ready to revolutionize your cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is the 9-in-1 kitchen marvel designed to simplify your meals. Imagine replacing a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, food warmer, cake maker, and sterilizer with just one appliance. It's an ultimate space saver and makes incredible dishes effortlessly. With 15 smart, customizable programs, from soup to dessert, even beginners can achieve gourmet results. Cooking complex recipes becomes push-button simple. No more guessing. Plus, the food-grade stainless steel inner pot isn't just durable, it ensures even cooking and super easy cleanup. Unlike non-stick coatings, it's built to last and safer for your family. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen for 2025, this is a fantastic investment. Check the link in the description to grab yours on Amazon. The Instant Pot Duo Plus isn't just another appliance, it's a versatile powerhouse that brings convenience and culinary excellence to your everyday. For anyone wanting smart, delicious meals with minimal effort, I highly recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus. It's truly a game changer.